Hello, I'm Jenny B. Welcome to this guided meditation designed to reset your energy and nervous system. If you're driving or doing something that requires your full attention, please pause and return when you can listen safely. Please make sure you're in a safe and comfortable place where you can fully relax. I will sound a chime at the start and end of this meditation, but if necessary to you, please set a timer. So, find a comfortable position for your body to rest. Move your neck, maybe your shoulders or hips to get settled in. You might like to close your eyes or lower your gaze if you haven't already done so. Whatever feels right for you. Let's begin. So let's take some deep breaths. Slowly, at your own pace. Feeling your stomach slowly rise and fall. There is no rush here. Let yourself fully arrive in this moment. There's nothing for you to do, nowhere you need to be. Breathe your slow breaths. Let go of the thoughts. Feel your soft body uncoil of any tensions. I invite you to imagine a lovely spring day. You're outside in the beautiful setting of a natural meadow, surrounded by hedges and trees. The sun is bright and the air is fresh, and you feel a welcome cool breeze against your skin. You are safe and content here. It's a space just for you to relax and recharge. Above you the sky is blue with a few fluffy clouds passing by. You hear the distant sound of water up ahead. You breathe in the cool air, slow deep breaths, feeling calm and happy in this beautiful place. You hear birdsong from a nearby tree, and you look up into the branches. First you notice the unfurling spring green leaves, such a bright light fresh colour starting to show. Then you see a group of small birds hopping around on the branches, talking to each other, and you take a moment to watch them as they move so easily from branch to branch, busy in their day. This place is just for you, immersed in nature. Take a moment to hear, to feel, to smell, and see the beautiful surroundings. Look down at the soft mossy grass. It feels right to sit for a moment. It's a lovely place to pause here in this sunny spot. Put down your things, make yourself comfortable. The sound of the water blows in on the breeze once more, and after a while encourages you to carry on. But before you do, you decide to remove your shoes or boots and socks. As you rise, the sensation of the cool, soft, spongy grass underfoot is delicious to your senses. Connecting to the earth this way feels very grounding as you gather your things and carry on your journey. Ahead are a row of trees, and as you get closer, behind in a clearing, you see and hear a bubbling stream cutting through the landscape. Trees and reeds line the banks. There's a smooth and easy step down onto the soft bank, and as you take that step, you notice the gentle tumbling water shining and sparkling in the sunlight. Individual pebbles, browns, greens, cream and black, in the water all different shapes and sizes, having been worn smooth by the water over many years. Low branches to the left of you reach out over the water, its reflection fluid in the ripples, and there's a soft sound from the reeds moving in the breeze. In front of you, spanning across the water, are 5 stepping stones, the water flowing over in some parts. The sound of the water relaxes you more, your shoulders fall, your jaw and tongue relax even more. Put your things down nearby. You might smile to yourself, knowing that you will enjoy the next few moments as you step forward onto the first solid stepping stone. For a moment you're under the shade of the tree. It feels cool here. You notice moss has grown around the edges of the stone, and it's still safe and solid. You look out into the sunshine as you step onto the next stone. The warmth of the sun touches you, and your body and the top of your head feel its heat. You look into the shallow water. A small group of tiny fish glint in the sun, static in the flow of water. You step forward again, this time into full sun. Imagine the heat on your body and your face. The water runs over this stone, over the tops of your feet, cooling your skin. You look back to the bank because something has caught your eye. In the branch of the tree you see a flash of turquoise. You hold your breath momentarily, scanning the tree. And then you see him, a small, beautiful turquoise kingfisher with its long black beak. Perching on the overhanging branch, looking into the water. You watch the bird's concentration. Notice the colour so iridescent in the dappled shade. Such a wonderful sight. For a split second, the bird looks up and sees you and seems to meet your eye. A moment of connection with that tiny, beautiful creature. A minute later, the turquoise flashes back into the sunlight. He's carrying on his day. You turn slowly on your stepping stone to look further down the stream as it continues away into the distance. The light and swirling water tumbling along as it has for so many generations. You have time to stand here, take in the beautiful scene. You gradually look back to the bank where your things are, and balancing and stretching briefly as you go, return to the bank. Inside your bag you have a drink and a towel. It may be a flask of warm coffee or a new fresh bottle of water, whatever you prefer. You have time to relax as you taste the liquid against your tongue. How does that feel? Sit back and enjoy the moment. The stream continues to travel on its way in front of you. In small pockets along the bank, are frothy circles of swirling water, and you notice the difference between the wet and dry pebbles and reach over to touch one nearby. It's smooth in your hand and you rub your fingers around its edges and feel the weight. In time, the green tips above you will unfurl into full green leaves for the summer, and the bees and the birds will disappear into the foliage. You can return here whenever you choose. It will be here, just for you. In a while, you will pack your things up once more. So dry your feet and let the sun warm them while you finish your drink. Just spend a few moments preparing yourself to head off. Take with you in your heart and mind the connections, the calm feelings, and the peaceful pleasure of this place. I will count back from 5. When you are back, you will feel calm, refreshed, and ready to carry on. 5, 4, feeling your body on the bed or chair. 3, being aware of your surroundings. 2, moving your fingers and toes. And 1, open your eyes, feeling wonderful. Thank you for being here.